Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to UpIQ. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find free themes on your Shopify store. So once you're on your Shopify store, just simply go ahead and click where it shows online store towards the left hand side. This is going to go ahead and expand the section for themes, pages, and preferences, and you will be taken over to where it shows the store theme. Now, under this section here, you want to scroll down a bit towards the bottom, especially, and you will find an option that says visit the theme store. So as you can see, these are just a few options here that is available to you. These are popular themes, but if you scroll down, you can click on visit theme store. Now, once you're on the theme store, you will see to the upper left hand side that there's a price section. It says paid and there is free. You have 24 free themes that you can choose from. So once you check this, it's going to filter out all of those themes and show you all the free themes. And you can go ahead and look at them, explore them, view them, demo them on your store to see how they look. I'm sure you'll find something that works amazing. And that's it, guys.